Well, Yellowstone County attorneys, judges, and jail staff are working hard to whittle down a list of nonviolent inmates to release from the county jail. Now, so far, about 70 inmates have walked out in response to a state Supreme Court order to help slow down the spread of COVID-19. But as Q2's Andrea Lutz reports, this task is not easy.
The current population at the Yellowstone County Detention Center, somewhere around 400 on this particular day, and we're told that's the lowest it's been since 2013. So I checked in with county leaders to see how they're going to manage on getting that number even lower.
What our goal is to not stop the process completely. Our goal is to bring in individual cases more often because our dockets are lighter right now.
Judge Mary Jane Knisley is comfortable talking to me through video chat because the majority of her work lately has been telehearings. A recent order from the Montana Supreme Court asked judges to review jail rosters and release without bond as many prisoners as they can in an effort to reduce the spread of coronavirus. So Knisley says that's what Yellowstone County is trying to do.
I did receive one case, and it was a request. And looking at the statute, we are going to have a hearing. But I think that what the judges are concerned about is obviously violent offenders, unregistered offenders, people who have typically not shown up for court or probation.
We reached out to Sheriff Mike Linder, too, who says those who are being released are being given a notice to appear in court at a later date. At the Yellowstone County Detention Center, inmates are typically in close quarters. And while there are no confirmed cases of the virus here, Supreme Court Chief Justice Mike McGrath fears it's just a matter of time.
I think that judges try very hard to impose a sentence or a bond thoughtfully to begin with. If we have additional resources to monitor people, as they've asked the county for, that might be useful, and I know the sheriff is working hard on that.
Meanwhile, all Yellowstone County judges are changing the way they do business too because of the virus, moving civil cases, suspending jury trials, and only residing over essential criminal and abuse matters. In Billings, Andrea Lutz, MTN News.
Thanks, Andrea. And Sheriff Linder also tells Andrea that while his agency doesn't determine who will be released, he says his staff will speak up if they feel someone on that list is a threat to public safety.